Is it free? Thank you.
Guys, we're here. Just go inside.
Right.
Be careful because we're gonna slip. Guys, 1, 2, 3.
Two. 1, 2, 3. Back your back. Mano, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ayan guys, si Katniss. Let's go! Katniss! Atlantis.
Guys, I enjoyed swimming. Look there.
The view?
Yeah.
What can you say about the view, anak?
Good. Beautiful and good. Guys, we're gonna go at the restaurant of Gordon Ramsay.
Wow.
So let's go.
Ngati ipakita mo nga rin nga kwa.
My food. And the food of my dad and my mom. So, see you there.
Go na. Gordon Ramsay. Guys, we order right food already, so we're gonna show you later what it is. See you later. Guys, ito yung famous bread ni Gordon Ramsay. At ito yung kanyang butter. Pero hindi maintindihan kung sabon ba o butter.
Why you put it inside?
You can get it.
Get your silicone inside.
Proba kung place na water.
No?
Nyakatnis. Naraman ba't yung tinapay?
Normal.
Normal but hot.
Bread. That.
Chicken, banana.
Can I have it?
Yes,
Daddy?
anak.
Mainit-init pa. Wala tayo ng butter. Pampabusog. Na. Marami.
Hindi mas mata yung order ko.
May mas nga tayo yung order mo. Mas nakaang. Hindi ka pa na nag-butter chicken. Ako naman hindi mo kasi butter chicken.
Ano pa? Kami, bakala kaya lagyan ka nung naleto ko na gusto ka nangalaktikan. Yung kayo ba si barbecue wings na?
Guys, nandito na yung ating order. Ano yung order mo, Katniss?
Chicken wings. Barbecue chicken.
Barbecue chicken wings. Ayan. Sarap, Katniss.
Yeah.
And then, kay
Burrata.
Katniss, ay kay Ken ay burrata.
Cheese.
Yan ay mas. At ito naman sa akin, Wagyu meatballs with bread. Yummy?
Yeah. It's just hot. But this is so yummy.
Ayan. Wagyu meatballs.
Daddy,
Wait na.
Daddy,
Yummy.
where's the thing that you?
Wait na.
Because I have.
This is it.
No, Mama, na lang ko na.
That.
This one is so yummy.
Bakit ito meatballs
Guys,
ba?
look,
Gusto lang.
let's take a bite. Good. Super good.
Big bite. Big meatballs.
So then, let's dig in.
Can bite.
Again. This is so crunchy.
Papalit lang kaming pen.
Daddy, look at my mini
Ito
vlog.
natin burrata.
Nag-wagyu ako mamag na kasay.
Burrata. With mozzarella. With tomato. Yan mas? Katniss, how's your chicken wings?
Good. So yummy and good. Look.
At least mga chicken wings yun.
Yeah, I know.
So, the chicken wings yung McDo. Yummy.
Yup, yummy.
How many stars?
A million. Then infinity.
Susa. So you love chicken wings of Gordon Ramsay's chicken wings?
Yup. So yummy.
Ay, ayan, na-awardan si Katniss ng Little Chef of the Day. Ayan. Okay?
Yes.
Wow. Sweet yummy.
Mashed potatoes.
For me, thank you. Look at the fish and chips, anak. Is it okay to take it?
Abroad.
Ayan yung beef steak ni Katniss.
Saan may piace?
Shellfish. Shellfish.
Katniss.
Yummy?
Yummy.
Masarap. Foam pa. Look at the fish of daddy. Fish. It's crunchy. Take it.
Fresh from the aquarium and that.
I don't know. May mas?
Guys, look for the reward. You could be a hat of a chef. And the look. And yummy.
Chicken in order
So yummy.
fish and chips.
Ay,
Tingnan natin yung crispy.
You wanna taste later the fish? No? Sure?
same.
May mas nung kwa. Ikam to kwa.
Hilata, onion and
Siguro dati garlic.
Oh, Jesus,
Yummy.
stop at that.
Ito yung chips. Sarap right? Guys.
Hi to the Hi, guys.
You wanna taste the fish and chips, ano?
Oh, thank you.
Kapanam lang.
I just only come and see the
Ano? Wala ka, kamanam. Dati lang na eh, puraw na. Okay. You like your steak?
Also this one, anak niya. Try this one. Yummy. Diretso ko lang. Hindi na din. Where's the one? May tututumbang. Wala kasi ako dyan lang asa.
dog one.
The wife?
You like your steak?
I used to love the one.
Namak niya kapkabing. Namak siya green.
When is my
Mga kami, i-share mo dahil yung mama na.
Na.
Lumahan ka.
Mm.
Lubo ka, i-share mo. Ay, marami na letter? Ikan lang ano, normal mo lang dyan.
Masarap na ewan ko kung sauce yan.
I can
Ito rin
see.
masarap.
Oh,
Yung fish na cod, sarap.
Drink your juice na ano.
Ano ba eh? Yung sa salmon.
Sibas.
Tapos siniktan dati, diliduwa lang ako, talo lang ako, katukul lang ako.
Asparagus.
I do.
Yun tayo yun eh, katok, shell.
Shell.
Wow.
Wow!
They're different cheese.
For her.
That's for you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Wow.
That's for you.
Thank you. Hey. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Katniss.
I get it now.
Yeah,
Yep.
I did it.
No.
No.
Who wants to eat this?
Me. Katniss,
What's this one?
are you happy?
Are you happy?
Yes.
Yeah.
Good. So bye.
There's also good cereal. How to budget with manila?
Kakainin ko yung birthday cake ni Katniss. Ayan guys. Coffee. Kredit kayak mo ramanan. Nagima. Nagima sa talaga. Sarap guys. Four cheese. Yung tikwa na. Dessert ka cheese.
Bakit? Oo. Sali sa dessert. Masarap
Mas
siya.
mat.
Pero talagang busog na busog na.
Sus. Di masanis.
Yes.
Niya. Naimas.
Yep. But you cannot look at the ice cream because it's already finished.
May video pa tayo.
Ah.
How about your cake, Ramanam?
But I think it's
Katniss birthday cake. That's my birthday cake.
guys. The cake that my dad is eating is mine.
But it's not your birthday anymore.
Let's go, mine.
Say bye-bye.
So bye.
Say happy birthday.
I see my birthday sign.
Di masin.
Give me my sign.
Bira man ang tubig natin na gamas. Magbagak mo.
Ito makan.
Na ako may busbib. Lamat tip ko talaga. Ako man nabsugak. Ako pilpilito nga makwanta na gamas ng nabsugak na talaga.
Dati nag-limak na talaga.
Wala ko.
Yung mga kati, yung may kamangan si Gordon Ramsay, ti-dessert mo dapat daitoy. As in daitoy nga talaga.
Dito ko makikabal ako mga appetizer.
Nay, nakan mo amin yan datan.
You want to even eat the other side? Yes.
Talaga nga mang perdi mo kami tinapay niya.
Pag sugunda ka,
And the gift.
wala na, nakan ko di birthday sa Katniss.
Dito ka lang nikat ni Suyubas.
The birthday sign is gone. Money for you.
At least finish na ubas na.
Wait.
Pati mag-yung 4 cheese ni Katniss.
Dito karga amti kaya kastana dagiti cheese.
Let's see. Good one na Monday.
Dagiti ko am na nagit na mas na dayo. Karga amti kasta dayo.
Gusto. Titikman ko kung cheese na can. Palagay daw dito. Ayan. Wanna try the cheese?
At least gusto natin sa mga rutan na kumado.
So we eat prefer grapes and ano?
Magato yun niya, alam na ito grapes. Magato yan.
Ano siya bago mo na? Bye!